Would you like to know the top renovation projects that you could do as a homeowner that will give you the highest rate of return on your investment and be worth the cost? Hi, my name is Benita with the Whistle Realty Group, and the statistics that I am sharing with you is hyper-local, specific to San Diego. It comes from the 2018 Remodeling Cost versus Value Report, and I will link the website below so you could check all the details for yourself. So, the number one remodeling project that you could do is to replace the exterior of your home with a manufactured stone veneer. Now, the benefits of manufactured stone veneer is that it's synthetic, so it's lighter, it's very durable, so it's easy to maintain, and the rate of return on your investment is a whopping 124%. So that's incredible. You'll definitely get your money back with that type of remodel project. So the second remodeling project is your front entry doorway. If you replace it with a steel unit, your rate of return is going to be 123%. The third remodeling project is your garage door. When you replace the garage door and have foam installation, your home is going to be more energy efficient, and it's also going to increase the curb value of your home. And you will get 111% rate of return on that investment. The fourth home remodel project is roof replacement. If you replace your roof with the fiberglass shingles, it will give you 111% rate of return on your investment. Now, all these projects that I mentioned concern the exterior of the home. So what it's doing is increasing the curb appeal and value of your home. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If you found this video useful and valuable, feel free to share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.